In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to dark mode on Microsoft Outlook for Office 365, and we are going to do it in no time. So whether you're looking to reduce eye strain, save battery life, or simply prefer a darker theme, I've got you covered. First things first, we're going to start by navigating to Outlook on the web. You have a couple of options here. You can either go to outlook.com or outlookoffice.com. Both will take you to the same place, which is your Outlook account, accessible from any web browser. Just make sure you're logged into your Office 365 account before you proceed. Once you've successfully logged into your Outlook account, the next step is to access the settings. You can do this by looking towards the upper right corner of your screen. What you're looking for is the little icon that looks like a gear. That's the settings gear icon. A quick click on this will open up a variety of options that will let you customize your Outlook experience. Now, when the settings menu appears, you'll notice that there are several things you can adjust. However, our main focus today is on the theme settings. So look for the section labeled Theme. Right under this, you'll find the toggle for dark mode. All you have to do is switch the toggle to the on position, and voila, just like that, the entire web interface of Outlook will transform into dark mode almost instantly. One thing to remember is that switching to dark mode doesn't mean you're limited in terms of personalization. In fact, Outlook still allows you to choose custom color accents even while you're using dark mode, so you can add your own personal touch to the interface. This is a great tip if you want a little bit of extra flair, but still enjoy the benefits that come with a darker theme. And there you have it. You've successfully switched your Microsoft Outlook to dark mode in Office 365. Dark mode can make a big difference, especially if you spend a lot of time staring at your screen. It's much easier on the eyes and can help with fatigue during those late night email sessions. Plus, it just looks really cool. That's all for today's guide. I hope this quick tutorial helps you get the most out of your Outlook experience. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.